Hello everyone, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Come and see how my vegetable garden is growing. Come with me. Here we go. This is my garden. Look how my spinach is growing. Look at that. And I also planted some onion. We also have some onion. Let me capture the onion. There we go. You see, yeah, this is my garden. I need to cultivate one of these days. I have to cultivate my garden. It's looking beautiful. It's really looking beautiful. Yeah, my spinach is growing very fast. Now we'll be eating, guys. And also let me show you what we have this side. I also have some onions, as you can see. I also planted there some onions, so we still have plenty here. We need to find a space or a place to plant these onions. Yeah, tell me what you think about my garden. What needs to be done in this garden, or what should I plant next? What is your thoughts? Tell me in the comment section. Oh, okay. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please like, comment, share, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.